Hello Vietmaxim family and welcome back to my channel. Make my day by smash that like button. Alright, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing pretty well this year. It dropped to about 16.5 at the beginning of the year, and after that, reverse direction, traded up, and right now it is trading at a little over 23,000. So we're looking at about over 50% run up in price in a matter of a month. What's really encouraging is when you look at when the price traded up, volume picked up. So that is a good sign. Bitcoin right now is pretty much in consolidation. Let's see if Bitcoin can continue this uptrend momentum. Couple of things that I like. First, the 10 days moving average now is trading above the 50 days. The price continue to trade above the 10 days. As you can see right at this point, when the price dropped below the 10 days, buy a step in, push it up. Today, when the price dropped down and retest this red line, which is the 10-day, again, buy a step in and push that up. Will Bitcoin be able to continue this uptrend? Let's take a look at a few more indicators. I like to look at the Bollinger Band. Now look at the Bollinger Band right before this major run up in price. As you can see, the Bollinger Band get very, very tight. And after that, the price broke out and continued to trade on the upper of the Bollinger Band. But right at this point, we're starting to see exhaustions. The Bollinger Band is starting to trend downward if you look at this upper band. And if you look at prior to that, every time when the price run up and when the Bollinger Band started to trend down, you see this pullback. But here is a very, very good sign. Now, if you look at this over the past year, right at around January of 2022, we had this yellow line. No, I'm sorry. We had this white line, which is the 50-day moving average, drop below the 200 days. So when we have this shorter moving average drop below a longer average, what we call this is a death cross. And after that, the 50 days continue to trend below the 200 days, and the price continue to trade lower and lower. Now, what we're seeing here is the 50 days moving average is starting to trend up, and it's just a matter of time. If the price stabilizes, the 50-day would eventually cross over and lead this 200 day. So what we would have is a golden cross. I mean, that's a very, very bullish sign. So this is what I think. Most likely, what's going to happen is this. I think the uptrend would continue until Bitcoin retests this major supply area, which is at around 25,000, 26,000, which is that area. Most likely, we're going to see a pushback. If Bitcoin retests the 22,000 and finds support and bounce up, then I think it's very likely that this uptrend would continue this year, because then we would have this phenomena, which is the golden cross. However, there's nothing prevent the seller from pushing the price down. If a breakdown from the 22,000, then we're looking at most likely that Bitcoin is going to retest this area, which is right at around the 18,000. Personally, I think what's going to happen is most likely we're going to see Bitcoin within the next few days or a week would run up and retest this 25,000, and then it would retrace and likely find support at around 22,000. It is looking good if we can get the 50-day crossover and lead the 200 days, because that is the golden cross, baby. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.